Hey, my name is Cody Hewlett, and I decided to do this on vaping. And personal story, my brother used to vape. I ended up finding his vape when we were in high school together. So I decided to do it on awareness of vaping itself. Um, they did a study kind of right back when they were first coming out with vaping. A doctor came out. His name was Dr. Balbo. Said we, and this is one of his quotes. We don't really know the impact of inhaling the carbonation of compounds produced by this device. He's talking about vaping in comparison to cigarettes. And he continues on. Just because the threats are different doesn't mean that e-cigarettes are completely safe. So basically, you're putting in these vapors, these compounds that have flavors, and you put it out, and you blow them out, which are putting these chemicals inside your lungs as well. So they're saying how the comparison between cigarettes and e-cigarettes are probably not uh, the best for you. He compared them with this kind of quote. Comparing e-cigarettes to tobacco cigarettes is really like comparing apples and oranges. The exposures are completely different, uh, chemically wise, but it's in the same act of doing similar things. He also says while the flavoring compounds tested may be safe for indigestion, these results show that they are not safe for inhalation. Um, it continues a recent study conducted by researchers at a Desert Research Institute, DRI, and the University of Nevada in Reno found that during an average vaping season, significant amounts of cancer-causing chemicals like formaldehyde are retained in the respiratory tract. This comes from the chemicals inside the vaping itself. Um, the article also continues on about the FDA is finally stepping in to reduce the amount of children around the seventh grade to 12th grade that are vaping, and they've kind of put pressure on the manufacturers themselves, and how they're going to have to either come up with a good plan of how to kind of help control that, or they're going to or they're going to have them quote remove some or all of their flavored products from the market. Due to that, the FDA has also approved a way if you are interested in quit vaping. They have a Nicorette, uh, a thing that slowly gives you the nicotine and weans you off. It's a little patch type deal. These things are available for use and to help you quit.